clickroll zipper. For this sound, we start from the inward clickroll, also called rumble. Then, perform an inward clickroll and progressively close your mouth. Now, stretch your lips while performing a clickroll to achieve a zipper sonority. The tighter you tighten your lips, the higher the sound will be. Bonus step. You can train your sound by going from a high note to a lower note. Job done. Time to beatbox.
Yep.